To design your LinkedIn banner, go to canva.com. It's a free service and a free website that you can use all the bunch of templates for your purposes. So just type in over here LinkedIn banner, and over here you can see a bunch of banners, bunch of templates that you can use. On the left side, click free to sort it out, and for example, let's click this one. Just click the template and you can change the text and the background. For example, to change text, click on it and delete and type something. And over here on the bottom also. To change the font, click on it and in a drop down menu choose a different font, for example, like this, and the second one also. And you can move this thing around. If you want to split this, click this ungroup option over here, so you can move it independently like this. To change the colors, you can just select the font and use this size and color over here and so on. To change the image on the background, click on it and over here choose color, and you can change the background like this. And you can delete, for example, these ornaments. And you can apply image if you go to photos on the left side and click, for example, and just drag and drop the image on the background. Of course, you need to change the color of the font like this, and you can add some effects. Go over here and add shadow and make shadow to be black, and you can change the color back to white and it will be still readable. And this is it. Thanks for watching.